Same thing. So Hangman, so you have to guess like letters in order to solve the word. So first I created like a word list for a bunch of random words, and the computer will pick a random word for you to guess from. Then you or just it like has the secret word stored in it, and you have to guess one letter at a time. And if you guess like any other characters other than like A through Z, it's gonna say you have to choose a letter between A through Z, or if you've already guessed it, you have to choose a different one. And every time you guess a letter, it's going to show it on the screen either in incorrect guess or correct guess, and if it's you get it correct, then it will fill it in for all the places it belongs. And then after, like, every time you get it wrong, it's gonna show the next hangman picture from
So how many pictures are there? 7?
9.
9. So basically 9 attempts.
Yeah. Well, not.
Yeah.
Yeah, like 9 attempts to get
Till
it
you
wrong.
die. Yeah.
If you get them all wrong. And if once you get them right, then it tells you that you win, and then it asks you if you want to play again.
Did you copy your projects?
No. Like, it's somewhat different, but it's basically the
Same or different?
pretty much the same.
Where did you guys get the code from?
She showed us how to do it.
And you copy pasted it?
No.
Wrote it differently? Or
Yeah, somewhat.
somewhat. Okay.
You want to play it?
So you guys are Python experts now.